So hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video we are back again with the drawing series. So the first one we are making a swan, that too with our handprint, so it's really nice and a nice concept to be honest. Now for the next part you just have to draw some random lines. I thought that we are making grass, but that's not what we are making. So on a tissue paper just put some random drops of your color and now just make it as we are doing it here. Wrap them together and your realistic looking bouquet is all done. Now for the next part, if you want to make this realistic 3D kind of pineapple, all you have to do is this bubble wrap is really easy to get. You get them in different wrappings and all. And now for the next part, you want to make this. These are some flowers there. I don't really know their names. I've seen them in a lot of dramas. So yeah. So that's what we are making here. Now for the next part, if you want to make this cool watermelon, all you have to do is just put some random things and this is not actually looking like a watermelon as we are having a lot of things inside it. So for the next part, you can take your sponge. Sponge is all back. You can put your choice of colors on it. And now you can make of different shapes. You just have to take your sponges. And okay, you can make them of different shape because your watermelons are of this one only. So yeah, actually there are available in the market which are of different shape and color. So you can get them also, but okay. Okay. Now moving forward, if you want to make this, I don't know what we are making here. So okay, whatever. So you just have to put your double-sided tapes here and then you just have to paste your random cuttings of that green paper. And I'm not really sure we are making, I think, a 3D kind of a grass. Yeah, it's a very, realistic looking grass. So you can have it and now all you have to do is, I think we are making some bugs here. Oh, not bugs actually. Oh wow, that was nice. To watch the video till the end and you'll get desired result. Okay. Now moving forward, what we are making here is some slices of your watermelon. This is like a lot of watermelon because in glass there's something of watermelon. The watermelon itself is there and then there are pieces of watermelon, so it's all watermelon-y. Okay. Okay. Now the next thing here is we are making some people, I think, and that too of different expressions, and they are celebrating something, I think. Yeah, kind. So with the help of your brush, just spread some white color as we are doing it here, and done. Okay. Now the next part, I think we are making a flower vase and yeah, we have cut it down the way we are doing it here. Now you just have to take your tissue paper and draw some random dots with different color of your choice. Now put a clay inside it and you just have to wrap it like your toffees and then it's like, okay, it's not a vase, it's like your toffee jar. That's nice. That's different concept. You can just make so many things. You just have to watch the videos and to have some creative mind. Okay, thanks for watching the video.